Hello guys, welcome to Startup Urban channel. Today we are talking about Loom Solar Startup Company. How you save your electricity bill easy with Loom Solar. Protecting the environment has become a growing concern for people of this generation. That is why from millennials to age old, people have started moving towards solar panels to generate their own electricity. Now the question is, how do these solar panels work? Solar panels usually capture the sunlight using their photovoltaic cells. After absorbing it, they convert that energy into electricity, which is the best solar panel. Nowadays, you will find so many solar panels around households because of their enormous benefits. In that case, if you are still confused about which one to choose, Loom Solar comes to your rescue. This incredible feat manufacture of solar panel is based in Faridabad, Haryana. They are also the biggest manufacturer of lithium batteries. Now you will find the availability in 500 central districts across India. Over 3,500 resellers, 2 offices, 1 manufacturing unit and hundreds of employees are associated with this brand. Now let's figure out the benefits of using Loom solar panels. Sophisticated people love to use this solar panel because it magnifies the look and feel of the exterior of their homes. But the primary benefit is to lessen your carbon footprint. Additionally, it also decreases your energy bills. How to declare your energy bills at home? Well, Loom Solar helps you to utilize energy efficient lighting in your home effectively. You will find different types of home lighting system to illuminate your outdoor areas while lowering your energy bills. So you can easily understand that it will add value to your home. If you want to decrease your electricity bill, don't hesitate to give it a try. You can earn money online through solar panels. Schools and colleges have become more inquisitive about this great idea of solar panels. This can be one of the greatest source of learning alternative as modern schools have significant power requirement. College also love to use air conditioned and sophisticated lighting that fuel more electricity. All these criteria can be met without increasing electricity bills if schools and colleges start installing solar panels like Loom Solar. Loom solar panels with lead acid battery prominently required for energy storage. This whole system can easily be controlled with on and off automatic switch. So no one has to wake up in this morning to switch off the light as it automatically works for dusk till morning. Apart from that, when it comes to electricity accidents, these solar street lights are less riskier than traditional ones. You can even easily maintain these lights without any hassle. If you are using solar panels in your home or school, don't forget to clean them from time to time. They are usually exposed to dust and dust. Eventually, it will decrease the output of your solar panel. In that case, the solar cleaning robot comes to your rescue, making the whole cleansing process safe and smooth. If you want more information about Loom, don't forget to look at the official website once. Please connect with Startup Urban for more startup stories.